तो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम एनालाइज कर रहे हैं नीट 2020 का पेपर। सो पेपर एनालाइजेशन पे ये पता चला कि पेपर थोड़ा सा इजी था। बायोलॉजी पोर्शन जो था वो इजी था, एज पर ये सारा एनसीईआरटी से था जैसा बोला गया था। और फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री की बात करें तो मीडियम थी। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं पेपर सॉल्व। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एट्रीब्यूट टू द पॉपुलेशन? कौन सा होता है? स्पीसीज इंट्रैक्शन। एनसीईआरटी क्वेश्चन। द प्रोसेस ग्रोथ विद मैक्सिमम ड्यूरिंग लॉग फेज, ये भी एनसीईआरटी क्वेश्चन। द रूट्स ऑफ दैट ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम द बेस ऑफ स्टेम्स आर फाइब्रस रूट्स। जो मैंने पिंक से मार्क करे हैं वही आंसर्स करेक्ट है। मैच द फॉलोइंग डिजीज विद द कॉजेटिव ऑर्गेनिज्म दैट्स लाइक द टाइफॉइड, साल्मोनेला, निमोनिया, हीमोफिलस, फिलेरियासिस, वुचेरिया, मलेरिया, प्लाज्मोडियम। विच आंसर इज करेक्ट? सेकेंड वन। So next, fifth, in which of the following techniques the embryos transfer to assist those females who cannot conceive? Answer is ZIFT and IUT. Okay. Identify the wrong statement with reference to the gene I that controls ABO blood group. हमें यहाँ लिखा हुआ है wrong statement कर पता लगानी है। ध्यान रखिएगा, ये सब चीज़ें नीट के पेपर में बहुत मैटर करती हैं। So the answer is when IA and IB are present together, they express same type of sugar. ये गलत है। दोनों AB ब्लड ग्रुप होता है जिसपे ये प्रेजेंट होता है। ये तीनों तो क्या है? करेक्ट है। The gene has 3 alleles. A person will have only 2-3 alleles. Allele I does not produce any sugar. Choose the correct pair from the following. Ligase join the 2 DNA. Exactly ligase का काम ही जोड़ना होता है, तो पहले ही ऑप्शन करेक्ट है। Select the correct match. सिकल सेल एनीमिया क्या होता है? ऑटोसोमल रिसेसिव ट्रेट होता है। दिस वन ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट। 9, मैच द फॉलोइंग कॉलम्स एंड सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। ग्रिगेरियस पॉलीफेजियस पेस्ट, लॉक्यूस्टा होता है, पहले ही ऑप्शन मैच कर रहा है, तो सेकंड ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट। 10th, द इन्फेक्शियस स्टेज ऑफ प्लाज्मोडियम दैट एंटर्स द ह्यूमन बॉडी, स्पोरोजोइट। आइडेंटिफाई द सब्सटेंस हैव ग्लाइकोसिडिक बॉन्ड, पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड एंड रिस्पेक्टिवली इन देयर स्ट्रक्चर। द आंसर इज इन्यूलिन में क्या होता है? ग्लाइकोसिडिक बॉन्ड होता है। इंसुलिन में क्या होता है? पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड होता है। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज 4th नॉट 12th। द प्लांट पार्ट्स, विच पार्ट ऑफ द 2 generations, one with the other? A and D is the correct option. Pollen grains inside the anther, embryo sac inside the ovule. Third, the product of reaction catalyzed by the nitrogenase of in root nodules of leguminous plant. The answer is ammonia and hydrogen. Identify the correct statement with regard to the G1 phase or gap 1 of interphase. इसमें हमें करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट पता लगानी। सेल इज मेटाबॉलिकली एक्टिव बट डज नॉट रेप्लिकेट इट्स डीएनए। सेल क्या होता है? मेटाबॉलिकली एक्टिव होता है लेकिन रेप्लिकेट नहीं करता डीएनए वो। क्यूबॉइडल एपिथेलियम विद ब्रश बॉर्डर ऑफ माइक्रोबिला इज फाउंड इन पीसीटी में ये पाया जाता है, क्यूबॉइडल एपिथेलियम। ठीक है, तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज 3rd। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट इंक्लूजन बॉडीज इज इनकरेक्ट? इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट पता करनी है, तो इनकरेक्ट में दीज आर इन्वॉल्व इन द इंजेक्शन ऑफ फूड पार्टिकल्स, यही स्टेटमेंट गलत है। बाकी ये तीनों क्या है? करेक्ट है। दे लाई इन फ्री साइटोप्लाज्म, दे रिप्रेजेंट द रिजर्व मटेरियल इन साइटोप्लाज्म। विच ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट साइट ऑफ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन्स एंड ग्लाइकोलाइड? दैट इज गोल्गी बॉडीज। ओके, वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी। In gel electrophoresis, separated DNA fragments can be visualized with the help of pythidium bromide in UV radiation. Again from NCERT. Identify the wrong statement with reference to the transport of oxygen. Higher H positive concentration in alveoli favors the formation of oxygen hemoglobin. ये wrong है, lower होनी चाहिए। Ray fluorates, inferior ovary, again NCERT. The specific palindromic sequence which is recognized by E. coli. Favorite question है नीट का, ऑलमोस्ट हर 2-3 साल में रिपीट कर रहा है ये क्वेश्चन। सो ये एनसीईआरटी घाटक। आइडेंटिफाई द रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट। सो स्टिकी एंड्स कैन बी जॉइंड बाय यूजिंग डीएनए लाइज, दिस इज द रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट एंड द अपर 3 ones आर करेक्ट। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज पुट इन टू द एनारोबिक स्लज डाइजेस्टर फॉर द सीविंग? सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट इवेंट्स दैट अकर्स ड्यूरिंग इंस्पिरेशन। द आंसर इज A and B, that is contraction of diaphragm, contraction of external intercostal muscles. If the head of the cockroach is removed, it may live for few days. आपने देखा होगा अगर कॉकरोच का सिर काट दिया जाए तो वो कुछ दिन तक सर्वाइव कर जाता है, तो वो किस लिए करता है? द हेड होल्ड्स अ स्मॉल पोर्शन ऑफ नर्वस सिस्टम वाइल द रेस्ट इज सिचुएटेड अलोंग द वेंट्रल पार्ट ऑफ इट्स बॉडी। हेड पे क्या होता है? स्मॉल पोर्शन होता है नर्वस सिस्टम का, बाकी उसकी पूरी बॉडी पे फैला होता है। तो नर्वस सिस्टम लाइव रहेगा तो तब तक बॉडी उसकी काम करती है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू फॉर द फाइलम कॉर्डेटा? फाइलम कॉर्डेटा के लिए कौन सा स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है? दैट इज आंसर इज बी एंड सी। इनवर्टिब्रेट एंड नोटोकॉर्ड इज प्रेजेंट ड्यूरिंग एम्ब्रायोनिक पीरियड ओनली and the central nervous system is dorsal and hollow. These two are true and A and D are false. Match the organism with its use in biotechnology. Biotechnology, the answer is second. A का fourth, cryoproteins, B का third, C का first, D का second. So आप देख रहे होंगे बायोटेक्नोलॉजी यूनिट आपको बेशक टफ लगे, लेकिन उससे बहुत इजी क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। ये नीट के लिए बहुत स्कोरिंग पार्ट है, बहुत इजी क्वेश्चंस है, ट्रस्ट मी। मैथ द फॉलोइंग कंसर्निंग एसेंशियल एलिमेंट्स, आंसर इज थर्ड। आइडेंटिफाइड द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट, इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट पता लगानी है। सो आंसर है इसका थर्ड। सैफूड इज द इनरमोस्ट सेकेंडरी जाइलम एंड इज लाइटर इन कलर। दिस स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग एंड दीज आर करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स, फर्स्ट, सेकेंड एंड थर्ड। तो अगर आप पेपर एनालाइज कर रहे हैं तो आप जो और ऑप्शन है उनको भी एनालाइज करिए, क्योंकि आपका मोटिव सिर्फ करेक्ट आंसर जानना नहीं होना चाहिए। जो अनदर ये ऑप्शन है इनको भी एनालाइज करिए, क्या सही है क्या गलत है पता करिए। 30 मैच द फॉलोइंग, करेक्ट आंसर इज फर्स्ट। इनिबिटर ऑफ कैटालिटिक एक्टिविटी इज मेलोनेट, पासेस पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड, कोलेजन। सी सेल वॉल material in fungi, chitin. Secondary metabolite, D का first. Again from NCERT, meiotic division of the secondary oocyte is completed at the time of fusion of sperm with an ovum. According to Robert May, the global species diversity is about 7 million. The first phase of translation amino acylation of tRNA. Which of the following regions of the globe exhibit highest species diversity? Amazon forest. Which of the following statement is not correct? Not correct. The functional insulin has A and B chains linked together by a hydrogen bond. This one is incorrect and the another three is correct. So आप इन तीनों को एनालाइज करिए, सही है तो याद करिए इन तीनों को। The transfer section of plant shows following anatomical features: large number of scattered vascular bundles surrounded by the bundle sheath, large conspicuous parenchymatous ground tissue, vascular bundle conjoined and closed, phloem parenchyma absent। ये किस किस के फीचर हैं? मोनोकॉटिलिडनस स्टेम के। मैच द फॉलोइंग कॉलम्स एंड सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। द आंसर इज फर्स्ट, ए का सेकंड, बी का थर्ड, सी का फोर्थ, डी का फर्स्ट। फ्रॉम हिज एक्सपेरिमेंट स्टैनले मिलर produced amino acids from the mixing the following in the closed flask: CH4, H2, NH3 and water vapor at 800 degree Celsius. First option is correct. ये NCERT की लाइन है। Embryological support for evolution was disapproved by Carl and Ernst von Baer. The process responsible for the facilitating loss of water in liquid from the tip of grass blades at the night in early morning. This is root pressure is the correct answer. Secondary metabolites such as nicotine, strychnine and caffeine are produced by the plants for their defense action. वो बात अलग है, हम अपने लिए यूज़ कर देते हैं, बट वो अपने लिए डिफेंस एक्शन के लिए प्रोड्यूस करते हैं। द ऑक्सीजनेशन activity of Rubisco coenzyme in the photorespiration lead to the formation of one molecule of 3 carbon compound. The correct answer is second. BT cotton variety that was developed by the introduction of toxin gene of Bacillus thuringiensis is resistant to insect pest. Again from the unit of biotechnology, and it is very simple. Which of the following refer to the correct example of organism which have evolved due to change in environment brought about by the anthropogenesis action? Anthropogenesis action means human action. So the answer is B, C and D. Herbicide resistant wheat, drug resistant eukaryotes and man created breeds of domesticated animals. Identify the wrong statement with reference to immunity. The correct answer is answer third, because this line is wrong. Active immunity is quick and gives full response. By which method was a new breed Hisardale sheep formed by using Bikaneri eaves and marine rams. So crossbreeding is the method. Identify the correct statement with reference to the human digestive system. So the correct answer is ileum is a highly coiled part. Match the following columns and select the correct option. So the correct answer is second. ए का किसके साथ है? सेकंड के साथ, बी का फर्स्ट के साथ, सी का फोर्थ के साथ, डी का थर्ड के साथ. मैच करिए एंड एनालाइज इट. Presence of which of the following conditions in urine are the indicators of diabetes mellitus? The answer is ketonuria and the glycosuria. Floridian starch has a structure similar to amylopectin and glycogen is the correct answer. 51. Select the option including all sexually transmitted disease. Gonorrhea, spills and genital herpes ये STDs है. इसमें मलेरिया STD नहीं होता, एड्स मलेरिया STD नहीं होता, कैंसर STD नहीं होता. तो ये तीनों तो गलत. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज फर्स्ट. 51. मैच द फॉलोइंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू मियोसिस. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सेकंड. ए का फोर्थ, बी का थर्ड, सी का सेकंड, डी का फर्स्ट. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स ऑफ यूनिसेलुलर एल्गी. यूनिसेलुलर लिखा है, ये बात याद रखिएगा. द आंसर इज क्लोरेला एंड स्पाइरोलिना. Again from NCERT, which of the following hormone level will cause the release of ovum from the Graafian follicle? High concentration of estrogen. Actually, अगर आपने menstrual cycle पढ़ी होगी उस तो आपको ये बहुत easily clear होगा. Match the following columns and select the correct option. The correct option is first. A का fourth, B का first, C का second, D का third. Monetary protocol was signed in 1987 for control of emission of ozone depleting substance. Again from NCERT, which of the following is correct about viroids? They have free RNA without protein code. Correct. तो इनमें प्रोटीन कोड नहीं होता. The ovary is half inferior in. Answer is plum. ये मगअप क्वेश्चन है, ये सारे रटने वाले क्वेश्चन है आपको. The enzyme enterokinase helps in conversion of trypsinogen into trypsin. Match the trophic levels with their correct species examples in grassland ecosystem. So the correct option is first. A का second, B का third, C का fourth, D का first. How many true breeding pea plant varieties Mendel select as the pairs which were similar exist in one character with contrasting trait? So क्या बोला है? Pairs. 14 pairs. So the correct option is third. Which of match the following columns and select the correct option. Matching है organ of corti located on the basilar membrane. Third option correct है. In water hyacinth and water lily pollination takes place. water आ रहा है लेकिन water नहीं होता इसमें, pollination में help करता. ये exception मान लीजिए या फिर कुछ भी आप बोलिए, but the correct answer is insects and or wind. Name the plant growth regulator which upon spraying of sugarcane crop increases the length of stem, thus increasing the yield of sugarcane crop. The answer is gibberellin. Again from NCERT. फाइटोहॉर्मोन्स वाले चैप्टर से है 11th की बुक में NCERT. 65. क्वेश्चन इन लाइट रिएक्शन प्लास्टोक्विनोन facilitate the transfer of electrons from photosystem second to cytochrome B6F complex is the right answer. 66. Which of the following is not an inhibitory substance governing seed dormancy? That is, answer is gibberellic acid. Name the enzyme that facilitate opening of DNA helix during transcription. So the correct answer is RNA polymerase. Which of the following would help in prevention of diuresis? The correct answer is reabsorption of sodium and water from renal tubules due to aldosterone. In relation of gross primary productivity and net primary productivity of an ecosystem, which one of the following statement is correct? So the correct option is second. Gross primary productivity is always more than the net primary productivity. Match the following columns and select the correct option. So the correct option is fourth. A का second, B का third, C का fourth, D का first. Stropla or cones are found in the ecosystem is the correct answer. Again from NCERT. Some dividing cells exist the cell cycle and enter the vegetative inactive stage. This is called quiescent stage. You know this process occurs in the M phase is the correct answer. फ्लिपर्स ऑफ पेंगुइन एंड डॉल्फिन्स आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ कन्वर्जेंट इवोल्यूशन। अडेप्टिव नहीं होगा, ये नहीं होगा, ये भी नहीं होगा, तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज कन्वर्जेंट इवोल्यूशन। If the distance between the two consecutive base pairs is 0.34 nanometer and the total number of base pairs of DNA double helix is the typical mammalian cell is 6.6 into 10 to the power 9 base pair, then the length of the DNA is approximately 2.2 meters। सॉल्व करने की जरूरत नहीं है, NCERT में लिखा हुआ है। The QRS complex in the standard ECG represent depolarization of ventricles। ये ECG पार्ट में हमने पढ़ा होगा। Match the following columns and select the correct option। Correct answer is first. Which of the following statement is correct? First, adenine pairs with thymine through two hydrogen bonds. The sequence that controls the copy number of linked DNA in the vector is termed ORI site is the correct answer. Identify the basic amino acid from the following. Basic amino acid lysine। और आपको एक बात बता दूं, ये सेम क्वेश्चन केमिस्ट्री में भी आया है, बेसिक अमीनो एसिड ही पूछा है, ठीक है। मैच द फॉलोइंग कॉलम्स एंड सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज थर्ड। सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट। ग्लूकोकॉर्टिकॉइड स्टिमुलेट ग्लूकोनियोजेनेसिस। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द मोस्ट अबंडेंट प्रोटीन इन एनिमल्स? कोलेजन। एक्सपेरिमेंटल वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ chromosomal theory of inheritance was done by Morgan। Match the following columns and select the correct option। So the correct option is fourth। The number of substrate level phosphorylation in one turn of citric acid cycle is 1। Dissolution of synaptonemal complex occur in diplotin। Bilaterally symmetrical and acoelomate animals। Platyhelminthes। The body of ovule is fused with the funicle hilum at hilum। Goblet cells of alimentary canal are modified from columnar epithelial cells। Snow blindness in Antarctic region is due to inflammation of cornea due to high dose of UVB radiation। Identify the molecule which does not exist। यहाँ से केमिस्ट्री पोर्शन स्टार्ट हो गया है, तो द करेक्ट आंसर इज हीलियम, नोबल गैस है। फाइंड आउट द solubility NiOH whole twice in 0.1 NaOH given that ionic product of NiOH 2 into 10 to the power minus 15। The correct answer is 2 into 10 to the power minus 13 m। सो इसके अभी जो सॉल्यूशंस है वो मैं आपको धीरे धीरे इसी चैनल पे आपको मिलते रहेंगे, पूरा सॉल्व करके आपको पूरा थ्योरी समझाऊंगा, ठीक है। 93 आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम फॉलोइंग। CO2 इन गैस फॉर्म इज used as refrigerant for the ice cream and frozen food। The structure of C60 contains 12 6-carbon rings and 25 carbon rings। ZSM, a type of zeolite, is used to convert alcohols into the gas। CO is a colorless and odorless gas। The correct answer is C and D only। Correct statement कौन सी है? C and D। Hydrolysis of sucrose is given by the following reaction। Sucrose plus water gives glucose plus fructose in equilibrium constant Kc is 2 into 10 to the power 13 at 300 Kelvin। The value of delta Rg at the same temperature will be minus 8.314 जूल मोल पर मोल पर केल्विन इंटू 300 के इंटू ln 2 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 13। जो आपने सॉल्व किया होगा इतने में ही आंसर छोड़ देना था। आइडेंटिफाई द कंपाउंड एक्ट इन द फॉलोइंग सीक्वेंस ऑफ रिएक्शंस। हमें इसमें इंटरमीडिएट एक्ट्स को बताना है, तो द करेक्ट आंसर इज थर्ड। आइडेंटिफाई द इनकरेक्ट मैच। द करेक्ट आंसर इज फोर्थ। एन एलिमेंट हैज अ BCC स्ट्रक्चर विच सेल एज of 288 picometer। The atomic radius is। Question is direct from NCERT। First, the correct answer is first। Which of the following set of molecules will have zero dipole moment? So the correct answer is BF3। Fourth, and on electrolysis of dilute sulfuric acid using platinum electrode, the product obtained at anode will be। The correct answer is oxygen gas। The reaction between acetone and methyl magnesium chloride following the hydrolysis will give tertiary butyl alcohol। Which of the following oxo acid of sulfur has OO linkage? So the correct answer is H2S2O8 peroxo disulfuric acid। Which of the following amine will give the carbolamine test? The calculated spin only magnetic moment of Cr2 positive ion is 4.90 bm और मैग्नेटॉन। ये भी बहुत रिपीट होता है। The correct option for the free expansion of an ideal gas under adiabatic condition. Q equals to 0, delta T equals to 0, change in temperature is 0, and work done equals to 0. The freezing point of depression constant Kf of the benzene is 5.12 kg per mole. The freezing point of the depression of the solution molality is 0.078 m, containing a non-electrolyte solution of the non-electrolyte solution in the benzene is. The correct answer is 0.40 K. The number of Faraday required to produce 20 gram of calcium from the molten CaCl2. The correct answer is first. Reaction between the benzaldehyde and the acetophenone in presence of dilute NaOH is known as cross-aldol condensation. Paper chromatography is an example of partition chromatography. An increase in concentration of reactant of a reaction leads to change in heat of reaction. A mixture of N2N argon gases in cylinder contains 7 gram and N2 8 gram of argon. If the total pressure of the mixture of the gases in the cylinder is 27 bar, the partial pressure of N2 is. The correct answer is 15 bar. Identify the correct statement from the following. Pig iron can be molded into variety of shapes. A tertiary butyl carbocation is more stable than the secondary butyl carbocation because of which of the following? The correct answer is hyperconjugation. Which of the following is a cationic detergent? So the correct answer is cetyl trimethyl ammonium bromide. It is again from NCERT. Elimination reaction of 2-bromopentane to form pent-2-ene is. The correct answer is first A, B and C. The mixture which shows the positive deviation from the Raoult law is ethanol plus acetone, again from NCERT. Which of the following is the correct order of increasing field strength of ligands to form coordination compound? आपको मिल जाएगी NCERT में. Which of the following is a basic amino acid? मैंने आपको कहा था अभी कि ये रिपीट हुआ है, बायोलॉजी में भी आया है. So the correct answer is lysine. HCl was passed through the solution of calcium chloride and magnesium chloride and NaCl. Which of the following compound crystallize? The correct answer is second, only NaCl2. Which of the following is the natural polymer cis-148 polyisoprene? Which of the following is not correct about carbon monoxide? The correct answer is third. The carboxyhemoglobin bound to CO is less stable than the oxyhemoglobin. Sucrose on hydrolysis gives. The correct answer is third. Alpha D glucose plus beta D fructose. The following metal ion activates many enzymes participate in the oxidation of glucose to produce ATP and with Na responsible for the transmission of Nash signal. The correct answer is potassium. Which of the following has maximum number of atoms? The correct answer is fourth. The number of protons, neutrons and electrons in this very simple. So the correct answer is first. What is the change in oxidation number of carbon in the following reaction? तो आपने निकाल दोगे third. 126. Identify the incorrect statement. The correct answer is fourth. The oxidation state of chromium in CrO4 and CrO27 are not same. Incorrect statement. Now 127. For the reaction, 2 molecules of chlorine is Cl2. The correct option is fourth. Measuring zeta potential is useful in determining which property of colloidal solution. So the correct answer is stability of colloidal particles. Urea reacts with water to form A, which will decompose to form B. B when passed through the copper. D, blue color solution C is formed. What is the formula for the C? So the correct answer is second, again from coordinate compound. Match the following and identify the correct option. The correct option is first. Match the following and which of the following is the correct option? So the correct option is second. Rate constant for the first order reaction is this much and the time required to reduce from this much. So again this from is the chemical kinetics. The correct answer is third. An alkaline ozonolysis gives methanol as one of the product. Its structure is correct answer is third. Which of the following alkane cannot be made in good yield by the Wurtz reaction? Third. Anisole on cleavage with HI gives. The correct answer is first. For which one of the following Bohr model is not valid? Hydrogen atom, singly ionized helium atom, deuteron atom. The correct answer is fourth, single ionized neon atom. The ratio of contribution made by the electric field and magnetic field components to the intensity of an electromagnetic wave. Correct answer is second. The Brewster angle IB for an interference should be? The correct answer is third. A cylinder contains hydrogen gas at pressure of 249 kilopascal and the temperature at temperature 27 degrees. The correct answer is 0.2 kg per meter cube. A ray is incident at an angle of incidence I on one surface of a small angle prism and emerges normally from the opposite surface if the refractive index of the. So the correct answer for this question is third. मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, आपको सॉल्यूशंस मैं अभी दे दूंगा, इसके सॉल्व करके आपको क्लियर थ्योरी भी क्लियर करूंगा उसी सॉल्यूशन में. Two cylinders A and B equal capacity are connected to each other via stopcock. A contains an ideal gas standard temperature, pressure. B is completely evacuated. The entire system is thermally insulated. The stopcock is suddenly opened. The process is adiabatic process. The energy equivalent to 0.5 gram of substance is 4.5 into 10 to the power 13 joule. A body weighs 72 Newton on the surface of Earth. What is the gravitational force on it at a height of equals to the half of the radius? The correct answer is 32 Newton. The solids which have negative temperature coefficient of resistance are insulator and semiconductors have negative temperature coefficient. The phase reaction between the displacement and acceleration of a particle in a simple harmonic motion is pi radian. The screw gauge has at least count 0.01 mm and there are 50 divisions in its circular scale. ये हम देख रहे हैं डायमेंशन वाले चैप्टर से फर्स्ट यूनिट जो है आपकी फिजिक्स में, उससे ये क्वेश्चन लगातार 2-3 साल से आने लग गया है. पहले ये नहीं आता था नीट में, ये सिर्फ किस में आता था, इंजीनियरिंग वाले पेपर्स में आता था, लेकिन अब ये मेडिकल के पेपर में भी आ रहा है. तो ये इसको भी इम्पोर्टेंस दीजिए. अब इन गिटार टू स्ट्रिंग्स A and B made of same material are slightly out of tune and produce beats of frequency 6 Hz. When tension in the B is slightly decreased, the beat frequency increases to 7 Hz. If the frequency A is 530 Hz, the original frequency of B will be 524 Hz. Is the correct answer. The two particles of mass 5 kg and 10 kg respectively are attached to two ends of the rigid rod of length 1 meter with negligible mass. So the correct answer is third, 67 centimeter. Find the torque about the origin when the force of 3 j cap Newton acts on the particle whose position vector is 2 k cap. The correct answer is third. Light with an average flux of 20 Weber per centimeter square falls on a non-reflecting surface at the normal incidence having surface area 20 centimeter square. The energy received by the surface during time span of 1 minute is. The correct answer is third. A spherical conductor of radius 10 centimeter has a charge of 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 7 distributed uniformly. What is the magnitude of electric field at that point 15 centimeter? The correct answer is second. In a certain region of the space with the volume of 0.2, the electric potential is found to be 5 volt throughout the magnitude of the electric field in this region is. The correct answer is 0. The increase in the width of the depletion region in a p-n junction diode is due to the reverse bias. Again from the NCRT. A 40 micrometer capacitor is connected to 200 volt 50 Hz AC supply. The RMS value of the current in this circuit is nearly. The correct answer is 2.5 ampere. The mean free path for the gas with a molecular diameter d and the number of density n can be expressed as. So the correct answer is second. For the transistor action, which of the following statement is correct? Correct statement: the base region must be very thin and lightly doped. Light of frequency 1.5 times the threshold frequency is incident on the photosensitive material. What will be the photoelectric current if the frequency is halved and the intensity is doubled? The correct answer is 0. When the uranium isotope is bombarded with the neutron, it generates krypton 3 neutrons, and the correct answer is first, barium. The energy required to break one bond in DNA is 10 to the power minus the value of electrovolt is nearly 0.06 is the correct answer. The third one is the correct answer. Two bodies of mass 4 kg and 6 kg are tied ends of the massless string. The string passes over the pulley which is frictionless. The acceleration of the system in terms of acceleration due to gravity is. The correct answer is third. A wire of length L, area of cross section A is hanging from the fixed support. The length of the wire changes to L1 when the mass M is suspended from it. Free and the expression for the Young modulus. The correct answer is fourth. The average thermal energy for the monoatomic gas is. The correct answer is second. Which of the following graph represent the variation of resistivity with temperature T? The correct answer is third. The color code resistance is given below. The correct answer is fourth. ये भी बहुत बार अब आने लग गया है, ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ईजी है। बीबी रॉय ऑफ ग्रेट ब्रिटेन हैज़ वेरी गुड वाइफ करके है, बच्चे से मिस कर देते, लेकिन फिजिक्स में ईजी क्वेश्चंस भी आते हैं, तो आप ईजी क्वेश्चंस को भी टैकल करिए बहुत ईजीली। In young double slit experiment, if the separation between the coherent sources is halved and the distance of screen between the coherent sources is doubled, then the fridge width becomes 4 times is the correct answer. The capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor with air as a medium is 6 microfarad. With the introduction of a dielectric medium, the capacitance becomes 30 microfarad. The permittivity of the medium is 0.04 into 10 to the power minus 10. Dimensions of the stress क्या होता है, force upon area करके आपने निकाली, तो करेक्ट आंसर इज 4th 168. Assume that light of wavelength 600 nanometer is coming from a star. The limit of resolution of telescope whose objective has a diameter of 2. The correct option is first. A series of LCR is connected to an AC voltage source. When L is removed from the circuit, the phase difference between the current and the voltage is pi by 3. Instead, C is removed from the circuit, the phase difference is again pi by 3 between the current and the voltage. The correct answer for this is third. A short electric dipole has a dipole moment of 60 into 10 to the power minus 90. The electric dipole moment due to the point of the distance 0 point from the center of the dipole angle of 60 degree with the dipole axis is the correct answer is second. An iron rod of susceptibility 599 is subjected to a magnetizing field of 1200 ampere per meter. The permeability of the material of the rod is first is the correct answer. The long solenoid of 50 centimeter length of having 100 turns carries a current of 2.5 ampere. The magnetic field at the center of the solenoid. The correct answer is first. 173. A starter of particle having drift VD दे रखी है, and in electric field has a mobility भी दे रखी है, आपको रिलेशन बनाना है और आंसर निकालना है, so the correct answer is second. 174. The quantities of heat required to raise a temperature of two solid copper sphere of radii R1 R2 through 1K, the ratio is, the correct answer is first. Very easy. Again 170. An electron is accelerated from the rest through the potential difference V if the de Broglie wavelength of the electron is 1.227 into 10 to the power the potential difference निकालना. The correct option is 4. Taking into account of the significant figures is the value of 9.999 m to 0. इस बार आप देख रहे हैं फर्स्ट यूनिट से कितने सारे क्वेश्चन आ रखे हैं, तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन क्या है, सेकंड. सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर से ये क्वेश्चन. अ बॉल इज थ्रोन वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड वेलोसिटी 20 मीटर पर सेकंड फ्रॉम द टावर ऑफ इफ इट हिट द ग्राउंड सम टाइम विद द वेलोसिटी 80 मीटर पर सेकंड. द हाइट ऑफ द टावर, हाइट निकालनी 300 मीटर आएगी. कैपिलरी ट्यूब रेडियस आर इमर्ज इन द वाटर ऑफ द कैपिलरी rise in it to the height as the mass of the water is capillary is 5 gram. Another capillary tube of radius 2r is immersed in the water. The mass of the water that will rise in the tube is, the correct option is third. Fluid mechanics से क्वेश्चन है. The resistance wire is connected to the left cap meter bridge, balance 10 ohm resistance in the right cap and the point divided in the bridge to the, if the length of the resistance wire is 1.5, then the length of the 1 ohm of resistance is, the correct answer is second. 180. And the last question of NEET 2020. For the logic circuit shown, the truth table is, the correct option is first. और बार क्या होता था, ट्रूथ टेबल आ जाती थी, गेट बनवाता था. इस बार गेट आया, ट्रूथ टेबल पूछ रहा है. तो ये क्वेश्चन ऑलमोस्ट हर पेपर में आपको मिलेगा, चाहे वो जेई हो चाहे नीट हो, और हर ईयर रिपीट कर रहा है क्वेश्चन, तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करें, शेयर करें और पेपर एनालाइज करें, ऑप्शन से एनालाइज करें. ये क्यों नहीं हो सकता, ये वाला ऑप्शन करेक्ट है तो ये करेक्ट क्यों है, तो इससे आपको बेनिफिट्स होगा. तो थैंक यू.